Hey traders, here's the deal. Since 99, gold's been whispering secrets. Big money, wild waves, and hidden traps. You're about to see why bulls and bears are locked in their deadliest dance yet. Ready? Let's decode the storm. Part 1. Weekly, the Grand Third. A golden wave since 1999. Alright, here's where the real gold story kicks in. Since September 99, gold's been riding this monster 8-wave cycle. First 2 waves cleaned house. Deep 50% to 61.8% pullback. Now we're smack in the 3rd wave, the beast. What's wild? Every impulse is following the rules. Waves 1 and 3 pushed hard. So guess what? That 5th wave just couldn't stretch. Classic truncation. That's why we got that sharp drop back then, right inside wave 1 of this massive 3rd. And here's the kicker. This whole thing could still extend higher if we see that triangle playing out. If this triangle expands, brace yourself. The 3rd could get wilder. That's the secret inside the big wave. Stay with me. Part 2. Daily. Enter the microscope, where the big boys play. Zoom in. We're watching the big boys now. Inside that big 3rd wave. Wave 1 and 2 show up with a clean 8-wave structure. Wave 5 inside that first impulse, equal to wave 1. Textbook. Now, check wave 2. I marked it as a double zigzag. Some folks like to tag it simple, but I see this double combo clearer. The weird bit, wave 1 of this 3rd is stretched. Why? It's the banks, whales, and governments. They dumped serious money in when nobody knew what's up. That's how you get a monster wave 1 nobody expects. Look at our SI. Triple extension screams at you. Sure, you could label it another way, but this is my take. Clean, logical, and heads up, this 3rd could already be done, meaning we might be staring at a bigger corrective wave coming up next. So don't blink. Part 3. 1H. Tight triangle or big trap. The final signal. Now, down to the micro moves, the 1R chart. Here's what I see. A tight converging triangle. Clean 3-wave swings, all tagged WXY. This thing's forming layers, double and triple zigzags. No joke. The last push. It might finish with 3 small legs, or squeeze tighter if the triangle's still cooking. But check that invalidation price. Mark it. If we break that line, the bull's still breathing. Any new push confirms the next impulse. But, big but, if wave B inside this triangle's masking an ending diagonal with a classic truncation, we might flip south fast into a bigger, nastier correction. So yeah, watch the line. The bulls want a ram. The grizzly's ready to swipe. Who strikes first decides what's next. Stay sharp. So, keep your eyes on the line. If the bears push below or kill switch, the storm flips. But above it, the bull's horns stay sharp. Subscribe, watch the waves, and remember, patterns whisper. I listen. Mr. Nobody.